Welcome to the M5 cleaning video. In this video we're going to show you how to clean the tamp head on the M5. So if you've bought a M5 integrated puck press with the E80, then this is the procedure that you'll need. For this we're going to use our Allen key, we're going to have a brush and also a soft cloth like a microfiber cloth. The first thing we're going to do is remove the grinds tray and we're going to place that to the side. What you'll find is the access point has been covered by the grinder, so we're going to grab our grinder by the body, being careful not to drop our grinder, and we're going to place it securely on top of the puck press. This is going to give us access to the lock pin. So we're going to remove our lock pin either with your fingers or the end of your Allen key, and we're going to place it on the grind tray to keep it safe. So the next step is to lower the tamp head down, which will give us access to the tamp head itself. To remove the tamp head, we're now going to place our fingers either side of the lower clamp, using our thumbs to turn anti-clockwise until the tamp head drops down onto our fingers. At this point, we can pull it out the front, turning the tamp head slightly up and removing it. What you will notice is the tamp head has a different shape from the last of the M series. This one has a hollowed out inside, which will allow us to turn the tamp as we remove it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to brush the surface, but we're going to remove the piston ring with our fingers, like that. This is going to need a clean either by rotating it through our fingers or using a soft cloth to wipe it. Once this is clean, we're going to place it to the side with our lock pin. At this point, we can use the brush to brush around the tamp head, following the groove from the piston ring and also paying attention to the inside and the threading itself. Likewise, you can also use a soft cloth to wipe the tamp head. Once this has been done, we're going to replace our piston ring, making sure that it's securely bedded in. So now we're going to use a small brush to clean out inside the cylinder where our tamp head came from. Simply by placing it underneath and wiping around the edges. Likewise, we can also use a soft cloth with our finger. Also paying attention to the shaft itself. Once we've done this, we can either use the soft cloth or a brush to wipe the remainder of the coffee grinds that could be around the base. Once this has been done, we're going to return our tamp head back into the puck press. Once we find a positive connection with the threading, we're going to turn it now clockwise until it returns back into place. From here, we can either drop our pin back in, which will find itself into the right position, or we can return our tamp head up and place our pin using our Allen key again to secure this. Once our grind is back in place forward facing, we can return our grinds tray and then we're ready for service. And that's how you clean your M5 puck press.